presenting the 2011 Chevrolet Avalanche LTZ. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. This vehicle comes with a reliable 8-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. This vehicle's top features include 4-wheel disc brakes, ABS, adjustable pedals, adjustable steering wheel, air suspension, aluminum wheels, automatic headlights, auxiliary audio input and backup camera. Don't let this vehicle get away. Call or click to schedule a test drive today.